Remove battery corrosion
won't start.
easily.
Pop the hood and see this. Test the battery and see this. So the battery's good. Obviously, that's the problem, all that corrosion. I'll show you an easy way to get it off. Baking soda and vinegar. See it bubbling up? It's going to neutralize all that corrosion. Just let it sit for a couple minutes. Wherever it's blue, that's the corrosion. And rinse it off. Take a wire brush to clean any residual that didn't come off. All good.